Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your current Photoshop version and have the Creative Cloud desktop app installed. Once done, backup preferences, brushes, actions, and any custom work to an external folder so updates won't erase settings. Make sure you have around 10% free disk space and a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Updates can be several hundred megabytes. Now open the Creative Cloud app and move on to locating Photoshop in the app list to start the update process. You'll click Update beside Photoshop in the Creative Cloud desktop app and choose whether to replace the existing version or install alongside it for rollback options. Once you select your preference, the app downloads the installer and applies the update automatically. Don't interrupt power or network. Make sure to close other high CPU programs to avoid slowdowns and to allow file locks to release. If prompted, grant admin permissions. This enables changes to system files and plugins. Wait for the progress to reach 100% before relaunching Photoshop. After installation, launch Photoshop and verify the new version under Help about Photoshop. Also confirm your key plugins and brushes loaded. If a plugin didn't migrate, reinstall or enable it via the Plugins menu. Make sure your GPU and driver compatibility settings are intact by checking Preferences Performance. If Photoshop fails to start or behaves oddly, try resetting preferences on launch or run the Creative Cloud Desktop Apps Repair utility to fix corrupted installations. If that doesn't work, roll back to the previous version and contact Adobe support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.